Hey guys, today in my yard we have a wood graveyard. That's right, it's wood. Well, this is kind of in a siren graveyard setup. Except this I actually own this. This is not owned by the highway property or anything. So I can take as much as I want. Why this wood's all here is because the same guy that installed my ceiling fan built this massive trash can fort. Because the gardeners keep knocking over the one my dad originally built. So some good work he did to it was actually attached it right here, and not only right here, also on this side. Look at that. Nice. He is a smarty. And got everything in here. Hey, this thing's actually bolted to the ground, as you see. That should be a lot of support, even during an earthquake. Well, there are earthquakes out here in California. So, at least this thing will still survive an earthquake. I don't know if the trash cans will survive. There's the recycling still out there. I forgot to mention the ones that were still in were trash and the 2 yard waste. And let's just go ahead and bring this in. First, let's make sure there's nothing in it. Nothing in it. The recycle truck didn't come until like the recycle truck wasn't even here by the time my dad came to pick me up from school. Which I believe he left this place around 2:30 Pacific time, just to be there at 3 Pacific time. And I had plenty of fun at school. I had fun at the last chapel before moving on to a new school. My new school is going to be a public school. So I've been in private school almost all my life. And public school is going to be a big thing for me. So, alright, I got this good piece of wood for the ceiling fan. Alright, sorry I went a little off topic in my school stuff and all that, and the trash cans. So, this is a good piece of wood I found. I want to make the blades look like crush bottles. And they're going to be reversible. So one side is going to have an orange crush, one side's going to have a grape crush, one side's going to have either an orange crush and a strawberry crush, or a grape crush and a strawberry crush. So that way I can flip the blades over if I want to. And this is the nice thin piece. It's actually nice and lightweight. Let's see, can I easily pick it up? Yes, it's nice and lightweight. There are still some nails stuck in it, but I'll worry about that later. Alright, now let's move on to finding another piece in this pile. This is just like finding Thunderbolts buried under SD10s and a whole bunch of other sirens at the siren graveyard in Tucson. Except this is not a siren graveyard, this is a wood graveyard. This isn't a siren graveyard. Alright, now I got two pieces of wood. Let's see if they're even. These pieces of wood are even. And I like how they're white, so I can just paint them. Not having to deal with that wood color. Because over the years, wood fades, like these fences, which are about the same age as the house, which is about the same age as me. About the same age as the house. Alright, my dad says that I can pick up anything I want from here. It's gonna stay here until I take everything. Let's check out this piece. See if it's the exact same length as these two. It's hard to tell because there's a bend in this piece. This piece is gonna be no good. Throw it back in. That piece has a hole in it, not gonna get that one. Let's check out this red piece. Let's see. These boards align. That is a chip in it, not getting that one. Chipped. Now, let's see. My dad's opening the garage up. I hope he doesn't disturb me. Let's see this piece. My dad's just on the phone. You need to ignore that. He's just having personal talks with his family. No good. Bent. Let's try this piece under here. Let's put it up to these pieces. It appears to be an even piece too. That one is a nail pointing out. I gotta be careful. No, that one is a chip in it. Not getting that one. Good chip in it. No, it's good. Let's check out this piece. It's very easy to find. Bent, going back in the pile. Bent. And the other good pieces around here, split, not getting that one. Bent. Oh, split. Not this one. Split. When are there gonna? Oh man, when are there gonna be good pieces? Let's see. This is a good piece. This piece is about the same length, so that's it. Touring a wood graveyard. That's it. See you guys later.